Okay everybody, in this video we are going to be drawing the rock cycle. So let's go ahead and label it at the top. Title it Rock Cycle in all capital letters. Let's go ahead and underline that. So as we all know, before it can become a rock, it starts out as magma. Basically lava underground. Let's go ahead and draw an arrow. That indicates a process or an action. In this case, for it to become a rock, it's going to have to cool and harden. Then it will become the first type of rock, which we know as igneous. Okay, once we have an igneous rock, there are many things that could happen to it. One thing that can happen to it is it can be weathered. So let's write weathering. In other words, it can be broken apart by water and wind and such. Okay, in this case, it's going to be broken apart and become small pieces, or what we call sediments, small pieces of rock. So how do these sediments become a new rock? They go through the process of lithification. Okay, sometimes called sedimentation. This is the accumulation and cementation of sediments to form a new rock. Okay, that's a 5-step process. WEDCC. Weathering, erosion, deposition, compaction, cementation. Okay, this is going to give us our second type of rock, sedimentary. Okay, now either one of these two can become the third type of rock, which is metamorphic. Let's go ahead and write that. 3. Metamorphic. That means to change. Okay, so what is going to change them into a metamorphic rock? Heat and or pressure. Getting buried deep underground. Okay, let's label that for both of those. Heat and pressure. Okay, so that's about it, except we need to make sure that we complete the cycle. So all of these rocks should have arrows going back to magma, because they can all be turned back to magma. Okay, of course this is going to be heat that does this. It's going to melt these rocks. So let's label all 3 of those heat. Okay, the only other thing is that a metamorphic rock could become sedimentary, again through this process of lithification. That's it. Hope that helps.